The terrifying mysteries of space. Friends, when you look at the night sky, it momentarily erases all your worries. Knowing this brings you a lot of peace. The universe is sufficient to alleviate all your troubles. You'll be amazed to learn that we are constantly hurtling through space. For the past 4.5 billion years, we've been on a long drive at a speed of 200 kilometers per second with our sun, and we're riding a roller coaster at a speed of 30 kilometers per second around the sun, while sitting on Earth. So friends, in today's video, we're going on a roller coaster ride through some incredible facts about the universe. Watch the video to know more. Friends, our Earth's atmosphere is like a telescope. Just as you can see countless stars in the night sky on Earth with naked eyes, similarly, if you were left on the moon, the sky from there would appear absolutely clear. From there, you wouldn't be able to see any stars. The most beautiful planet in our solar system is Saturn, but you'll be surprised to know that Saturn is so light that if we could place Saturn in water, it would actually float because Saturn's density is less than that of water. Scientists believe that Saturn's moon Titan might have oceans, rivers, and lakes like Earth, but instead of water, it contains liquid methane gas. That means if life exists there, it would be in a form we can't even imagine. In the universe, there are planets that wander aimlessly, meaning they don't have any parent star, no sun. Such planets are called rogue planets. These rogue planets are planets that have somehow become separated from their parent star and embarked on a journey through the cosmos. If, by chance, one of these planets enters our solar system, they could collide with us. Friends, on Earth, we can jump about 2 feet, but if we jump on other planets, we can jump even higher. On Mars, we can jump about 3 feet, and on the Moon, we can jump about 9 feet. However, on Jupiter, we wouldn't be able to jump because Jupiter is made mostly of gas, and there's no solid surface to jump from. But even if we could stand on Jupiter, we would only be able to jump about 6 inches. If two metals of the same kind touch each other in space, they will fuse together without any glue or welding. This process is called cold fusion. In reality, in the absence of oxygen presence like on Earth, metals react with each other in space, a reaction that doesn't occur in the presence of oxygen. Our Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours, and its rotational speed is 460 meters per second. On the other hand, the Sun's rotation speed at its equator is 2 kilometers per second. So, if you were on the Sun, you could travel a distance of 2 kilometers just by blinking your eyes. The footprints left by astronauts on the Moon are still there on the lunar surface. So far, there has been no change in those footprints, and they will remain on the Moon for millions of years to come. A neutron star, found in the universe, has an incredible rotational speed. It rotates 700 times in just 1 second. This means that if you were standing on its surface, you would cover a distance of 72,000 kilometers by the time you blink your eyes. The most powerful objects in the universe are called quasars. They are found at the centers of many galaxies. They emit energy equivalent to millions of stars from their centers all at once. If a planet like Earth were near a quasar, its energy would incinerate our planet in just a second. If you were sent into space without a spacesuit, you would lose consciousness and die within seconds due to the lack of oxygen. Your body odor would continue to exist in space forever. In other words, the smell would become immortal. Our Moon is moving away from Earth by about 3.8 centimeters each year, and in the next billion years, the Moon will move much farther away and appear much smaller in our sky. About 40 light-years away from Earth in the universe, there is a planet that is made entirely of diamonds. Its core is made entirely of diamond, making it a roaming diamond in the cosmos. In space, if a human were exposed without a spacesuit, they would become unconscious and eventually die due to the vacuum's lack of pressure. This means that the smell would remain in space forever, making it immortal. In space, you cannot speak. If you were left in space, you wouldn't be able to speak because there is no medium in space through which sound can travel due to the vacuum. In such a scenario, there would be no sound. If there were sound in space, we would constantly hear the sound of the sun on Earth, and there would be noise coming from all directions in space. There is no sand on all the beaches of our Earth. There are many times more stars in our universe than grains of sand on Earth's beaches. There are approximately 200 billion galaxies in our universe. Inside our sun, you can fit around 1.3 million Earths. This fact is so fascinating that we shared it 1,000 times and will continue to do so. Now here's another fact that will blow your mind. If you are orbiting Earth, and you have a gun, and you fire a bullet, it is possible that the bullet could come back and hit you from above, because the bullet would orbit the Earth in all directions. But even more mind-boggling is the fact that nothing in the universe can travel faster than light. If you were to start moving at the speed of light, or were placed above the speed of light, you would see our globe as a flat line, just like a flat surface. Not only Earth, but the entire universe would appear to you as a flat surface. Moreover, time would stand still for you, meaning you would not experience anything. Only 5% of our universe, the visible part, is what we can see. The remaining 95% is made up of dark matter and dark energy, which is hidden. So, even with all these facts combined, a significant part of our universe is still concealed from us. You will be astonished to know that today our Earth, which appears blue from space, used to appear purple many billion years ago. This was because Earth's vegetation had retinal pigment that reflected purple color more than blue-green. So, imagine how our Earth would look in purple. In the universe, there are countless stars. Our sun is a yellow dwarf star, but there are also red dwarf stars in the universe, which are the coolest stars in the cosmos. Interestingly, most of these stars emit more red light, and so the worlds around these stars are likely to be less colorful compared to ours. In this regard, we are lucky that on our planet, we live in a world full of all colors. So friends, please like this and share the video. We'll see you in the next video.